been talking about it for years, and today the U.S. Supreme Court will discuss the future of DACA. It's formerly known as the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program. This is a live look from outside the Supreme Court building in Washington, D.C. right now. DACA allows certain immigrants who were brought to the U.S. illegally at a young age to live, work, and go to school in America legally. Now, those who rely on DACA could see their protections go away. This goes back to 2017 when President Trump announced he was ending DACA after the then Attorney General, Jeff Sessions, argued the program was unconstitutional. According to federal officials, there are about 700,000 DACA recipients in the U.S. and around 25,000 in Arizona. Now, many people here in Pima County will also be keeping a close eye on this case.
Yeah, that's right. 9 on your side's Veronica Acosta joining us now with more on what's at stake and how a local community college is getting involved. Veronica, good morning.
Hey, good morning, you guys. Well, the fate of Dreamers, it is completely in the hands of the U.S. Supreme Court today up in Phoenix. Lots of community members gathered last night to really show their support for the DACA program. Many of those who gathered were DACA recipients themselves who said they were nervous. They said the chances of them sleeping last night into today were very slim. They also added that aside from all of those feelings, they just had a lot of questions about what was next for them.
Am I going to be able to become a nurse? Am I not? Like, am I going to be able to keep going to college? Am I not?
And here at home, Pima Community College also watching, also waiting. The community college actually signed on to a brief earlier this year, just a few months ago. In that brief, they urged the Supreme Court to uphold the DACA program. And those briefs, they're really interesting. So they can be filed by individuals. They can be filed by organizations that aren't exactly a part of the lawsuit. But it's just a way for them to share kind of their opinions, the way they feel on the lawsuit, and kind of try to change the perspective on why the court should rule one way or the other. Now, PCC, they were just one of more than 150 colleges and universities all across the country who signed on to this brief. ASU signed on to it as well, and the Maricopa County Community College District did too. So it's something that they're all doing to try again and give their perspective on what they think should be happening. As for that decision, many say they don't expect it to come down until sometime in 2020, so sometime next year. For now, we're live at the Pima Community College. Veronica Acosta, KGUN 9 on your side.